What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and please subscribe. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the 5000 Lumens. Easy to install LED, never change a bulb again, shop light, right after this.
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
5,
On the back side.
4,
Over here on site.
2,
Let's see what's in the box. As we unbox it, we're also going to put it up in the garage. I bought 2 of them. I bought a light that I thought I could move around in the garage. It was 1000 lumens, and it was not enough whatsoever. This is 4000 more, and I have a shop light above where my tools are. That is it in there. But I needed something a little bit brighter. So I have 2 of these that I'm gonna put up. Let's see what it comes with here. This must be all the hardware. All right, so it comes with little hangers. Good to know. It doesn't come with any screws or anything, huh? Okay. Comes in the plastic. These are 4-foot lights. I'm going to put down a description below. Lights very similar to this if you guys don't have a Harbor Freight close. I got these for, they were, I don't know, on sale or whatever for $29. I got an additional percentage off, and I think I paid 18 bucks for it. All right, off the top of here, took this sideways here. They have these little, you just want to see this thing plugged in? Let's see what it does plugged in. And it's got a little pull, which is nice. That's gonna do it. Holy bright. All right, let's go hang it up. All right, so as you can see, this is what it looks like without any light, just the natural lights coming out of here and then also above the shop area. So I just need to light up this area over here. So this is the lights that I had. See, if I walk close, this will initially turn on. Sometimes this one will turn on and not turn on. So I've actually kept this light on. So see there, it went kicked on. So now if I kick this off, right, and I move out, this is the light that I have, but I need it brighter in here because sometimes I'm over there working on the motorcycle and it's just not bright enough. So we're gonna make sure it's bright enough in here. So real quick, Harbor Freight has these little, I don't know what you call these, chains, if you will, but they don't come with any screws or they don't come with any little hooks. They come with these hooks. Okay, this goes on the shop light itself on the back, and it loops through and hangs off the chain. But instead of just going ahead and going to the store and buying those little hooks, those metal hooks, if you will, those gold ones, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one here, I'm gonna go right in the center, and I'm gonna just close down on it like that. So this is the shape that you're gonna make. So then from there, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a washer, one of these washers here, and I'll take a washer and then a screw, just like so, just something that I already have in the shop here, garage, and that will go right up, and then I can clip these as long as I want them to be. So there you go, there's a little hack for this project that you're able to do, and it's free.